Well, hey, welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I was recently challenged by my pal at 508 Outdoor Cooking saying I needed to try this new type of sandwich. So recently he tried the peanut butter and onion sandwich that I had talked about. He thought it was pretty good, but he suggested that I taste a grilled cheese and jelly sandwich. They kind of thought it was just okay too, but Beans thought it tasted like an armpit. Well, I need to try this sandwich, and hopefully it doesn't taste like an armpit. I'm gonna make it in a special way. Time to I can't believe it's not butter all my bread. Okay, sometimes when I do this I use mayonnaise, sometimes I use butter. What do you use most? Okay, I'm going to try it two different ways. The first way, I'm going to use my own jam slash jelly. This one, it's loganberry jam. I picked the loganberries myself, and I'm going to do it with this cheese, Havarti cheese. And for my next one, I'll be using medium cheddar cheese with bacon jam. Oh, I absolutely love this, and I think it'll go wonderfully with cheddar cheese. They look really fun. Well, let's start with that loganberry and Havarti. The smell doesn't smell like an armpit. It tastes wonderful. The Havarti really complements that jam. Bacon jam and cheddar cheese. That bacon jam, out of sight. That's the best tasting armpit I've ever had. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitchen, and thanks 508 Outdoor Cooking for challenging me. I recently saw this vintage ad for grilled cheese and jelly sandwich. Would you try it? When I work from home, I like to wrap myself in a blanket. You can now say, I work undercover.